Hello, Cloud Nerds. In this video, you will learn how to send and receive SQS messages via AWS Console. Let's get started. Open Amazon SQS Console. Before recording this video, I created a standard Amazon SQS queue, called My First Queue. We will be using the same for sending and pulling messages. Click Queues. Click My First Queue. Click Send and Receive Messages. Let's fill this form. For message body, specify Test Message. Note Delivery Delay option here. You can use it if you want to publish a message, but do not want it to be immediately readable by consumers. Let's go ahead and publish this test message. Click Send Message. Note that the message was successfully sent to the SQS queue. Let us pull the SQS queue and take a quick look at the message we just sent. Click Pull for Messages. Note that the message appeared in the Messages panel. Let's stop polling. Click on ID to see details. This is the same message that we just sent to the SQS queue. As you can see, you are able to pull for messages in the Amazon SQS queue and are able to view the contents of the message via AWS Console. Congratulations! You just learned how to publish message to an SQS queue and see messages available for polling. Explore AWS SDKs to learn how to use SQS via code. Thanks for watching. Check out AWS certification books, linked in pinned comment, and suggest us topics for videos.